mate. For the police watching this is 6 kilometers an hour, by the way. Pothole, oh my god, big pothole, oh my god, mate. What the hell is he doing? What are you doing? Oh, look at her, bruv. Glistening in the sun. Yo boys, what is up? What is up? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Can't lie, the weather in the UK recently has been a bit mad. Very nice, 20 plus degrees, you know. And yeah, I've been loving it really, I can't lie. Oh, already getting active, boys. Proper hanging off the bike there, I tell ya. On cold tyres too. All this footage is AI generated, just to make sure you are aware. Because, yeah, I did take part of the airbox out on this bike to make it breathe a bit better. But then it's made it run a bit lean, so I've had to put it all back. But yeah, oh, I love riding a slow bike fast, I can't lie. I will miss when I sell this thing one day. If you're on a litre bike, you're never really gonna need to leave like first, you know. Ooh, that's clean. What happens if all the scaffolding falls off, you know? Like, I know there's some straps on it, but if he like accelerates or brakes harsh, it's all over, innit? God, there's a lot of people out today, to be honest with you. Slow down, baby. Oi! Oh, there's a wet line there. Trying to avoid that. God damn, this Audi's gone! Audi's gone! For the police watching this is 6 kilometers an hour, by the way. I do not take any responsibility for anything in this video. Oh, banging the camera. Pothole, oh my god, big pothole, oh my god, mate. Oh, there's a big plane. Let's try and see if we can take that, let's see if we can see that take off. I don't know if we'll get there in time, but I'm willing to ride fast as possible to get to the other side of the airfield, which is about 6 miles that way. Woohoo! This guy's all over the road. What the hell is he doing? What are you doing? Okay, now. My guy just slowed down in the middle of the dual carriageway to like 30 miles an hour. Oh my god, bruv. Now this is a cool Beamer, bruv. We are here, guys. Yes, we missed that big plane over there. Over where? But yeah. Look at that, that is majestic, bruv. And then we've got the Rieju itself. The handsomest Rieju ever, apart from the bubbling and the dust on it. Yeah, let's ignore the exhaust work though, yeah? Welding, yeah, we'll ignore that. Rusting, we'll ignore that. And the exhaust pasting, we'll ignore that. It works, okay? It works. If you're wondering where I got these letters from AliExpress, a guy called Matty Patty, or Matey Patty, I don't know how you say it, but on Instagram. I don't know if I'll link it. If I find it, it'll be right here on screen. told me, in AliExpress, you just type in tyre letters and it comes up. So yeah, it did take quite a long time to get them aligned on both sides, but yeah, they look nice. Sheesh. Okay, I can't lie. I think I should try and grab a thumbnail right now, you know? Some mad thumbnail type idea, if you get me. I'll just quickly disconnect my camera, put it on the floor, and see... Oh, there ain't no plane taking off in the next minute, though. Here we are. At the airport. Yeah, I can't lie. Just gonna wait for a plane to take off. It's about to take off, okay? It is about to take off. Let's try sort this. Let's try and get a nice thumbnail with it like in the back, you know. Right up there while I'm on the floor with my bike, you know, how romantic. People are gonna click on that. They have to click on that, surely. Oh my god, there's dead bugs all over my visor. That's a violation. Is it me or is that bird right there tweaking? Is it like it's not moving? There we go, it's moving now. What? It just had a glitch or something. Do you know what? I don't even care if people think I'm weird when I'm taking this. It's all for the clicks, you know. People go out of their way for the clicks. So, sit on the floor. I can tell you now, it is coming at quite force. Look. You ready? You ready? It's about to come into frame any second now. I promise. I promise. I promise. Okay, that's enough of that for now. Okay, boys, I'm back. And the verdict is that was the only thumbnail I got, simply because this A380 isn't actually being moved by itself. I've just got on top of the fence and I've seen it being pushed by a tug. So the plane is all the way over there at the back, but it's being tugged by obviously a tug. So yeah, it's not flying today, and I think it's going to their little workshops. Okay, I think the camera's attached to... Whoa. Goodbye, Meg. I know that my mic is getting quite low on battery, so hopefully it doesn't cut out like halfway through this way home. Did it once, got set up, you can't kill my vibes, stand on my sides. When I looked at this road earlier, it was quite good, so we'll see. Oh, look at that number plate. Love you. Love you. Love you. Oh, that is the best plate I've seen ever. Let's go for some Jackie Chan. Whoa! Holy avoidance. I'm keeping an eye on this guy right here. I don't trust him at all. You mate, better floor it here, okay? Good boy. Haha! Jesus, he's gone! Can I get aside him? My guy on the pedlight. Wah! Oh, we got the slowest driver on the earth here now. My guy. Jesus, this bike just gets to 80 so well in 5th gear. It is ridiculous. Gonna get people killed, bruv. The aura farming bike. Oh my god! Halt. Yeah, I can't lie. I don't know if this is a random guy on a ped, but he's in a puffer, you know. So I expect he's like some mad dunny. Bro's not filtering it. What a loser. do not know this guy. Who is this Donny, bruv? He's acting like a knob, I can't lie. Rose Lakey on one. What the hell was that? I can't lie, boys, I think that's about it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, you know, a bit more on the planes and stuff. So yeah, peace.